Welcome to www.serviceplusauto.ny.com. Today's topic, the best auto engine tuning basics. Engine tuning is called for by a car after some years of driving it. As you stay with your car for longer, its power and efficiency decreases over time. This will call for some action on your part. If you are not happy with the performance of your car, you would consider performing an auto engine tuning to have the car of your dreams without buying a new car. The tips in this article on tuning an engine best suits such interest. They are the simplest things you can do to have the car of your dreams. Engine tuning is the basic step of upgrading a car. Cars with high mileage normally have reduced horsepower as time passes by since the engine wears out. You can tune the engine of your car yourself if you have a garage and tools. In rebuilding the engine, you will need a new set of rings, camshaft, valves, and pistons. These will greatly improve the performance of your car. Go to a good auto shop and request to have the cylinders of the engine honed and the heads milled. The crankshaft should also be machined. One important question you should be asking yourself when tuning an engine: was your car all that you ever wanted when it was still new? This will greatly help you in making choices on what you need to consider when tuning an engine. You can request slightly larger cylinders from your auto machine shop to increase the size of the engine. This will be an upgrade to the cylinder heads. It will be imperative to buy new heads to increase the capacity of airflow. The result of these in engine tuning will be increase of fuel and air into the cylinder. When the tuned engine is reassembled, the power your car possesses can make you go crazy. To allow more fuel and increase the power, you will need a camshaft which can lift and open the valves for longer. Your auto engine tuning process will also need compatible pistons and rings. One should not forget about upgrading connecting rods as well as wrist pins, depending on the changes made when tuning an engine. Your auto engine tuning process will also call for the installation of performance items which will be a boost. The cheapest and most common are the free flow exhaust system as well as intake system. Another component of engine tuning to consider is a cold air intake system. Cold air produces more horsepower compared to hot air, since cold air is denser. With all these put in place, you can consider your process of tuning an engine complete. However, you need not forget about the brakes. If you upgraded your car to be more powerful and faster, your brakes should be upgraded too. Brake failure is a risk you wouldn't want to stand with your car. In speeding cars, it is normally caused by excessive heat. Oversized vented rotors on the four corners minimizes the chance of heat building up. To optimize the stopping power of your upgraded car, you need to have 4 to 6 piston calipers. These will impressively reduce the stopping distance significantly. To find out more information on topics like this, then please go to www.serviceplusauto.ny.com.